All right, dried out Maul on deck for today. We're going to do some reconditioning, put a handle on this. This is a perfect example of why you want to condition your handles. I use boiled linseed oil. Keeps the moisture in there. This thing is obviously dried out. You can even pull the wedge out by hand. And those two little metal barrel wedges did not keep it tight, which is sometimes why I do not use metal. But everyone has their own way of doing things, and if you want to use metal, that's fine. Just make sure your fit's good. So I got my fresh handle here. It's got a really thick tongue. I got my relief hole drilled for my cross wedge. I have sanded down my edges to accept the wedge really nicely. You can see I got great compression on the fit here. It's not a tall head at all. Here I got my wedges. I like to get about halfway in with my wedges as far as a dry fit up, and I just find that's easy, and it gets me on the right path, and then I just can blast them the rest of the way in. I generally start on a cross wedge whichever way direction I need a little bit more room to go. So here I started with the cross, but ultimately it doesn't really matter. Obviously I'm kind of expanding that tongue evenly. With not having a really tall cheek here, it was really important to get the depth, to get that compression all the way through that tongue. So we ended up with a really good fit here. I'm really happy. We got full depth. You can see, we're not going to get a ton of splay open because it's such a thick tongue here, but we got great depth. So condition your tools. Put that boiled linseed oil on that handle, and hope this helps. Comment with any questions you have, and thanks for the support.